Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Now, we draw a tree beside the house. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Square shape. Square shape. Circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Blue color. Pink color. Blue color. Pink color. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.